Hi students, how are you all? I think everybody are good and you're all doing mathematics well. Today in this video class we are going to discuss about one more topic of statistics regarding median. Finding the median of a grouped frequency distribution table. It is having only one formula and one procedure only to solve, that will be discussed in exercise 14.3 with very simple three important model problems. Okay, let us discuss about it. Coming to the median of any statistical data, the actual definition is in the proper order, means either ascending order or in the descending order. In the proper order of arrangement, the middlemost value is called median. It is called median. Understood? So to find out the median of some observations of a data, first we need to arrange them in the proper order. Means all those observations has to be arranged either in the ascending order from simple value to lowest value to highest value, or it should be arranged in the descending order from big value to small value. After that we need to choose middlemost value, that will become median. Okay, simple example I will give you. This concept is there in 8th and 9th class standards. Okay, so the median of 2 comma 7 comma 5 comma 8 comma 15 comma 20 comma 12 is dash, they said. Understood? Solution, simply first we need to arrange these observations in the proper order. That means what? Either in the ascending order or in the descending order. The order is order in ascending form is least value to highest value. 2 comma, next one 5 comma, next one 7 comma, next one 8 comma, next 12 comma, 15 comma 20. This one is ascending order, least value to highest value. In this we need to trace out the middlemost value. Middlemost value means how many observations are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 observations are there. So how to choose the middlemost value? Left side 1, right side 1, left side 2, right side second observation, left side 3, right side third observation are considered under elimination. Then who is remaining here? 8. Understood? This is the middlemost value. This is the simple process. Understood? So therefore in this form, ascending order form, the middlemost value is what is that one, Anna? 8. So that will become the median. Therefore median is equal to 8. That is the simple way of finding the median. What is the actual way? Or another man, if n is odd, number of observations are odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term in order, in the proper order. That means here n value is 7. So since n equal to 7, then 7 plus 1 by 2th term. Who is that one? 8 by 2, that is 4th term. 4th term is the median. Who is the 4th term? First one, second one, third one, fourth one in the proper order. Therefore that 4th term value is 8. Have you understood that? In this way we can trace out the median of normal undistribution data. Understood? Right. So if n is even, the condition will be different, because these type of questions, the concept based on this, these model questions, they will ask you for bits. That's why I'm revising that previous content. So if n is even, then what observation will be there? So for that I'm trying to give one more example, that is second example. The median of the median of 5 comma 6 comma 3 comma 11 comma 12 comma 19 comma 10 comma 20. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 even number of observations are there. So in this condition, what we need to do for finding the median? First, arrange them in the proper order. So the ascending order is, least value 3, next one 5, next one 6, next one 11, next one 10, next one 11, next one 12, next 19, next 20. All observations are arranged in the ascending order. You can arrange, or we can arrange the same observations in descending order also. It is our wish. So least value to highest value we observe. So in this, what are the middlemost values? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. So now these two are middlemost values. It is not singular value, it is not single value. Two observations are there in the middle. Then what is the median? Therefore median is equal to average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th terms, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. That means n by 2th term and its next terms average. Okay, that is the median. So here n value how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here n equal to 8. That implies 8 by 2th and 8 by 2 plus 1th terms average we want. That is 4th and next one 5th terms average we want. That's it. So what is the 4th term here? 10 and 11. So 10 plus 11 by 2. So average of two numbers means a plus b by 2. So by that the answer will become 10.5. Understood? In this way, when the number of observations are odd, we will get only one single middle term in the proper order. That will be the direct median. When number of observations are even, after the proper arrangement, find out the average of the middle terms. That's it. So this is the mathematical condition, and from this it is the easy way to find out the median. So the average of middle two terms will become median. Understood? So 10.5 is the median. I think you got it. So this type of problems are important for bits. Next, coming to the grouped frequency distribution table. What is the formula and what is the process? There also you observe that we need to get the data in the proper order, means either in the ascending order or in descending order. From that we need to find out the middlemost value. Condition of applying the definition is same. Okay, Nana? Right. So let us see what process will be there. Now observe that what is the process of finding median of grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, there will be a formula. The formula is median is equal to L plus in the bracket n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. This is the formula. Once again, median equal to L plus bracket of n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. This is the formula. Then what are these values? That explanation is important for 2 marks. Already in the previous videos I told you. So what are they? Here L equal to lower boundary of median class. Which class, Nana? Median class. So in the grouped frequency distribution table, we need to apply one process to identify the median class, to trace out the median class. So for that median class, lower boundary will be the L value. Okay, right. Next, N is equal to total frequency. N means total frequency, which is also called as sigma f value. Understood? Next value, CF. CF means cumulative frequency of preceding class of the median class. Understood, Nana? Preceding class cumulative frequency is CF. F means frequency of the median class. Understood? Median class. So total values are depends upon choosing the median value correctly. Based upon that median class only, all the values are coming. And lastly, we have H. H means length of the class interval. Understood? So these are the values. L is the lower boundary of the median class. N means total frequency, which is nothing but sigma f. CF means cumulative frequency of the preceding class. F means frequency of the median class. H is length of the class interval. Understood? By finding all these values from the given frequency distribution table, write the formula, substitute in that, simplify. That's it. For 4 marks and 6 marks, these model questions are important. Let us select most important models from exercise 14.3 for finding median. Right? Okay, ma. Now let us observe exercise 14.3. So in this, I am taking main model important problems for public examination. Those are first question, second question, and sixth question. And in the textbook, they are asking to find out median, mean, mode for the given table. But in that model, in the public examinations, no question will come. Only they will ask you to find out one central tendency. That's why I have chosen this exercise only for finding median. Okay, finding mean mode is not necessary for this. Okay, so how to calculate? So there is some data. For that data, the grouped frequency distribution table is this one. They had given class intervals, frequencies, and asking to find out median. Okay, how to find out? Solution: utilize the given two rows as two columns. One as class interval and the other one as frequency fi value. Those are 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, and 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205 are the given class intervals from the data, with their respective frequencies are 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4 respectively. Okay, then for finding median, what we need to do? Extra only one column has to be prepared for us. That will be called as cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means first class interval as it is here. Next will become sum of two frequencies, that means 4 plus 5, that is 9. Next, third class cumulative frequency will become sum of 3, that means sum of 2 already there, 9, plus third one, 9 plus 13, that is 22. This is sum of 3 class intervals, plus fourth one gives you sum of 4 class intervals, that is 22 plus 20, 42, plus next one gives you 56, sum of 5 class intervals. Cumulative means sum of all up to that. Okay, 56 plus 8 will become 64. 64 plus 4 will become 68. That is the total frequency will be taken as n value. Understood? Now you observe the data. Cumulative frequency calculated by this process, and here you observe that the class intervals respective cumulative frequencies are arranged in a proper order. You can see that. So increasing order is there, ascending order, but actually in the given table frequencies are not following any proper order. Means 4, 5, 13, 20, it is in the increasing form up to this, but here onwards it is decreasing. So no proper ascending order or no proper descending order. That's why we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. By that, the table will be forming an ascending order, least value to highest value, and the last value will become total frequencies, n value. Okay, so you write that data here. So here total frequency n is equal to how much, Rana? 68 it came. Therefore, after proper arrangement, we need to select the middlemost value for finding median. So that means we need to calculate n by 2 value, that is 68 by 2, which becomes 34. Then how to find out that middlemost value in the grouped frequency distribution table? Please listen to me carefully. The logical point is trace out the first biggest cumulative frequency than this. First biggest CF from table is, trace out the, find out the first biggest cumulative frequency than this. More than 34, what is the first cumulative frequency? You find out that one. 4 is not more than, not bigger than 34. 9 also not more than. 22 also not more than that. Next one 42. This is the first biggest cumulative frequency than n by 2. So the first biggest cumulative frequency from the table is 42. This one is the first biggest. From here all are bigger than 34 only, but among them the first one is 42. That gives us median class. So therefore the median class here is, what is that one? 125 to 145, that is the median class. So after applying the formula and simplification, the median value will lie between 125 to 145. Keep it in mind and check it out. Therefore concluding, therefore median class is, what is that one, Anna? 125 to 145. So that one we traced out. From that you can trace out all the values. Its lower boundary, what is that L value? 125. Clearly it is continuous class interval. So L value is 125. We had it. Its frequency is taken as small f. Its preceding cumulative frequency will be taken as CF. So 22 is CF. Okay, write them all. Therefore L equal to 125 comma CF is equal to preceding class cumulative frequency is 22, and that median class frequency, normal frequency, small f is equal to 20, and h equal to length of class size, means 145 to 125, upper boundary minus lower boundary, that is equal to 145 to 125, that comes as 20. Got it? We had all our required values for the substitution in the median formula. So write the formula. Therefore median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, that is equal to, all the values are detailedly written here, substitute them correctly and simplify it. So that L value is 125 plus n by 2 value already calculated as 34, that is the most important critical value for us in the total problem. Okay, minus Cf, cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 22, by f value 20 into h value is 20. Luckily these two are directly getting cancelled, which is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12, that is equal to 137. So what is the median we got? 137. Already I told you median class from the table is 125 to 145. So compulsory median should get in between that range. 137 is lie between them. So our process is correct. Understood? In this way, using this process, easily we can find out the median of grouped frequency distribution table. One problem is enough to understand the process. In the exam, they will not give you tables from textbook. They can give any own arbitrary tables with their own intervals and frequencies, but apply the process. Most important thing is n by 2 calculation, from that tracing out the median class. From that only we will get all our required values to substitute in the formula. Understood? Right. Now observe the second problem, Nana. The question is given like this: another model. If the median of 60 observations is 28.5, find the values of x and y. So now for that they had given this table. Class intervals are all given. Frequencies are given like 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5. So here what is the meaning of the question? Themselves they had given median of total 60 observations as 28.5. Median they had given. So they will ask us to find out something else. What were they? For that, table is not given totally, fully. In the table, missing frequencies are there. So we need to find out those missing frequencies. That's for that only they had given median. So in the previous question, full table is given and asking us to find out median. In this problem, median they are giving, asking us to find out the missing frequencies. This is also very important model. Let us observe the process. Solution: prepare the table for our median, given class intervals, frequencies as it is, and cumulative frequency. 3-column table for median. Remember that those are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. These are the given class intervals and their respective frequencies are 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5. With some missing frequencies, they had given the frequencies correspondingly like this. Now prepare the cumulative frequency for finding median. Okay, what is the cumulative frequency? First one, 5. Next one, 5 plus x. So this is 5 plus 5 plus x, this is 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. Understood? 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x. This total value plus y will become 40 plus x plus y, plus last individual frequency 5 gives you 45 plus x plus y. Understood? Here it represents total frequency of the data. So since total frequency n value in the data is given as 60, that is given value, that implies this total value 45 plus x plus y is n here, that is 60. This is total frequency. In the data it is given as 60. So n equal to 60 implies 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. Therefore send 45 to other side. 60 minus 45 is 15. So x plus y is equal to 15. That is the first equation to find out two variables x and y. So to find out two variables, already we know that definitely we need two different equations. Among them, one we calculated by using total frequency 60 condition. Understood? That one we got it as x plus y equal to 15. So then what is the next step to trace out the variable values? For that, given median is equal to how much, Nana? Median is equal to 28.5. So now observe its related class interval. 28 point will lie between 20 to 30 class interval only. Na? In the previous problem also I told you, median lies in median class. That's why that is the name of it. So 28.5 lie in this class. That's why this is called median class. Write this one for our sake. By this, what is L value here? 20. So therefore, median class is, what is that one? 20 to 30, inverted commas. Okay, Nana? Therefore, L equal to lower boundary. L equal to how much? 20, comma, its preceding cumulative frequency, this is CF, its frequency will become F, comma, CF is equal to how much? 5 plus x. F is equal to its frequency 20, and h equal to class length. H equal to how much, Nana? Difference between the upper boundary and lower boundary. Okay, na? That is 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. And n is given as how much? 60. So n by 2 is equal to 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. All our required values are there. So in the next step, write median formula. Therefore, median is equal to, what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into h. Correct? Which implies given median value how much? 28.5. Correct? That is 28.5 is equal to L value 20 plus n by 2 value 30 minus preceding class cumulative frequency, we got it as 5 plus x. So two terms are there, use the bracket, don't miss it, don't do mistake. So that's why minus of 5 plus x, and frequency of that median class 20, small f value 20, and h equal to 10. H is 10. Okay, now this implies, we need to simplify it for finding this x value, and from that using equation 1 y will come. Understood, Nana? So for that what we have to do, this plus 20 value need to send to other side, then it will become 28.5 minus 20 is equal to, here the remaining value 30 minus of these two values, minus 5 minus x by, in this 20 unit is 0, here 0 get cancelled, 10 times 2, that's why divided by 2 will be there. So this is equal to 28.5 minus 20 means how much, Nana? It is 8.5. This divided by 2, when come to the other side of the equality, it will multiply the things, it will multiply the left side value. So into 2 is equal to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x. That is the next step. So 8.5 into 2 is 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Got it? So now what we need to do? So send plus 25 to left side. This is 17 minus 25 is equal to remaining value minus x. Okay, now this implies 17 minus 25 means minus 8 equal to minus x. So minus minus get cancelled, therefore x equal to 8 we got. Understood? So one of the variable value came from the formula, but we need y also. So for that use equation 1. Therefore from equation 1 x plus y equal to 15, correct? That's why 8 plus y equal to 15. Therefore y equal to 15 minus 8, that is 7. So these are the two variable values which are called missing frequencies of the data. Understood? In this way easily we can find out missing frequencies by knowing the given data's total observations and median. Okay, Nana? Okay, ma. Now I am taking the sixth problem. This is one more extra problem for first problem. One more extra problem with numerical changes. That's it. Process is same. Only two different methods will be there. Finding mean or finding missing frequency. Those two are very important for examination point of view. Sixth problem is one more practice problem. So listen to me what they are saying. Find the median of the given table. Some description will be there. So use the data for finding median. So prepare the 3-column table neatly with class intervals, given frequency fi value and cumulative frequency for specially median. So write the data 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19 are the class intervals with the respective frequencies 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. Now you observe the frequencies. There is no proper order, no perfect ascending order or no perfect descending order. So we need the proper order to trace out the middlemost value for median. For that prepare the cumulative frequency. Already I told you how to prepare. Add next, add next, add next to get the cumulative value. So first one first, plus 30 is 36, plus 40 is 76, plus 16 is 92, plus 4 is 96, plus 4 is 100. So this is total value n, total frequency is n. Understood? So now here total frequency n equal to 100 we got. Proper order is there, total frequency 100 is there. Therefore find out the middlemost value, that is n by 2, which is 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. So where will be the 50? So to trace out that one, 50th observation belongs to which class interval? That is the concept. So what is the process? First biggest cumulative frequency from table is bigger than this. First biggest table, 6 is not bigger than 50, 36 is not bigger than 50, 76 is the first biggest cumulative frequency coming from the table. Remaining all are bigger, but this is the first one, that's why this is called median class. Median class. Understood? So from the table, the biggest cumulative frequency from the table is 76. Okay, therefore median class is, what is that one, Anna? 7 to 10. Understood? Therefore from that median class only we will find out all our required values for the formula. So what are they? Lower boundary of the median class L value in the continuous form, L equal to 7, and its class frequency is F, its preceding cumulative frequency is CF. Write them. So CF is equal to 36, f equal to 40, and h equal to height or length of the class interval, that is upper boundary minus lower boundary, 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. So all our required values are ready to substitute. So write the formula. Therefore, median of the grouped frequency distribution table, m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, which is equal to L value 7 plus n by 2 value already it comes as 50 minus Cf value 36 by small f value 40 into h value we got it as 3. Understood? Let us simplify for finding the final answer, which is equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36 is 14 by 40 into 3. Okay, Nana? Now 2 table, 2 7s are 2 20s are. This is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21 by 20. Okay, Nana? So don't take LCM. Simplify right side value and add it to the first term 7. So this is equal to 7 plus what is 21 by 20? It is 21s are 20, 1 will be remain, 1 0 will become 10 but not sufficient. So one more 0, then it will become 100, 25s are 100. So 21 by 20 value 1.05, add it to 7, therefore it is 8.05. That comes as median. Understood? Therefore median is equal to 8.05. In this way, using one more numerical changed practice problem, we can clearly understand the process of finding median for the group frequency distribution table. Very, very, very important, Nana. Very clearly I am giving the explanation. Learn them, practice them, do the additional problems for perfection. Right? Thank you.